How to cancel Lalamove booking. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel Lalamove booking. First of all, open up the Lalamove site in your web browser. Once you get into its site, scroll down to find the process to cancel Lalamove booking. Now just follow these steps. Then you will be able to use the app. Go into the Help Center from the app. Then click on the Order Edit and Cancellation option. Now from here, you will find the process to cancel the order. For orders that are not yet matched with a driver, you can cancel the order anytime by clicking the Cancel Order option, which you will find on the order page via the button on the top right corner. For immediate orders that have been matched with a driver, you may cancel your order up to 5 minutes after getting matched. For scheduled orders, you may cancel up to 45 minutes before the scheduled pickup time after it has been matched. If you wish to cancel the order after the 5-minute period, please contact our customer service team to do so. If you would like to cancel an order, you will have to call our customer service at 3701-3701 to cancel. You may be charged a cancellation fee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.